Don't eat chicken before you see this recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 2 chicken breasts into pieces. Next, I will cut an onion. The result will surprise you. Then I'm gonna slice a tomato. This recipe has become routine here at home. Now I will chop a little chive to taste, the amount is optional. Once done, I will transfer to a container the chicken, chopped onion. I will season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika. Finally, I will add the chives and I will stir everything very well with a spoon until all the ingredients are mixed. In another container, I will add 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cottage cheese, 100 grams of mozzarella, a teaspoon of salt, and I will stir very well until everything is added. In a pan, I will add a little olive oil, and with a brush I will spread to grease. Then I will add the chicken in the pan. This recipe is simply amazing and delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. My friends always ask me to teach how to do, so amazing that the result is. Now I'm going to pour the egg mixture on top, distributing well. I'm sure as soon as you taste it, this recipe will become routine in your home as well. Tell me if you have any recipes with chicken, I'd love to know. Now I'm going to finish with the tomato slices on top. I will bake in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Kavita Innes from Barbados. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.